Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to unbox the products I buy from Nykaa in Diwali sale, and my price was up to 2000, so I got a free gift from them. I have not seen it yet because I want to share it with you. So let's get started.
So this is my first purchase from Nykaa and I am happy with the products and the packaging. So I am satisfied overall.
So the first one is a makeup fixer which is from Faces Canada, and I got it in discount. I don't know you will get this discount right now or not, but I will give the link in the description box. And the second one is Lakme Absolute Mousse. It is also in very much discount. Its price is generally 750 like that, and I bought it in 450 or 490 like that. And the third one is mascara which is from LOreal, and fourth one is that Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, and this is a blue shade Kajal from Sugar, and this is primer from Lakme Absolute. This is the primer. I will give the link in the description box, you can go and check out. And finally the free gift, I did not opted any gift which were seen there. I opted for a free sample with, and they sent me this serum. So that's all. If you want, I will give the review of the makeup fixer and the primer. Till then, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.